Phase 1 of Garden Update 2019 is Canadian Tire heavy duty hoses. She's plowed. She's got grass growing already though, which is not the best. And also we're gonna try and keep a backyard nice and not crispy this year. It's pretty crispy. See, that area is less crispy. But anyway, I gotta take out this old piece of crap hose and put in the new piece of crap hose. This is too hard to do with one hand. Now you see, this is the part where I get my tripod. If I had one. This is a really shitty sprinkler. Who bought this? Alright. You want to see the range on this sucker? Let's be optimistic, eh? Let's be really optimistic. Let's untangle this first. Okay, and let's get rid of this piece of wood. And then let's put this right in the middle. The damn yard. As square as she goes. And then turn the thing on. Full tilt. You know what I'm saying? So let's see. Oh, Jesus, Lord Murphy. She's coming down. Oh, not too bad. She's getting right there. Now, does she do the full 180? Oh, I bet you there's a fucking setting in there. Okay, I'm gonna have to get wet. Oh! Full. Does it have to be off to adjust that? See that? Oh God. Okay, I think it's better to go when it's lower, because then it's like out of the way. Okay. Full. Oh. Oh my. Center right full. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Oh, you can only turn it one direction. I see. So we want full. One more. And then she gets both sides. Let's try it. Okay, getting the stairs. Might need to push it back 10 feet into the yard. Man, I was being optimistic, and you know what? Not bad. Okay, let's see. 180? Come on, you prick. Yeah, 180. It's going into the neighbor's yard. Man, this is a huge... The range on this is huge. Okay, really quick. Oh no. Damn, I got an angle now. I want that to be straight. Almost just barely going into there. Okay, ready? There. Okay, that's perfect. It's getting rid of the garden too. Oh, missed it. Missed the show. is getting the cans in the propane tank. It's not getting the stairs right now? Let's make sure. Nope. Oh, it's beautiful. Just this area still. I don't know how we're gonna get this. The range is so massive. Oh, just do the 180. It's perfect. Okay, prequel to the garden update 2019, part 0. Alright, we gave her a nice soak. So, it's like an hour. I don't know about the back of the yard though. I guess I could throw it on there for 15. Eh? Sure. Now it's way back there. Getting the back of the yard wet. That's a nice relaxing day. Oh yeah. Garage update part 1. There's my bike and it's stuck back there behind 17 tires and 59 pieces of metal. But I'll get it out if it's the last thing I do. Just in case you don't know how to tell if a bicycle tire is flat, this is a good test. If you can push your thumb all the way to the rim, here's a little non-Canadian viewer bonus. This is Canadian Tire money. It's considered legal tender. I mean, it's not, but you know, it's funny to say that. And there's Prime Minister Snowman Jim. He's very important, as you can see.